Hi friends, welcome to my channel. We are looking at the award-winning CES Top Scooter of the Year 2026 UT5 Ultra X. This is a 2400 watts dual motor, front and back dual motor, and with a speed of 70 kilometers per hour and a range of around 80 kilometers. Now this is having a hydraulic disc brakes, has an indicator light on the handle and on the side, hydraulic suspension, easy hookup lights, and you have a USB-C charging over here for quick charging. 3 power modes of Eco Sport, Boost, can go on a dual motor and on a single motor. And here we can check to see how the speed goes. This is the mode what we have over here. Let's boost up to the Eco mode and look at the speed. This is what the rolling speed has. Nice golden color finish here. If you are looking to get this Ultra X, there is a coupon code with us. We have a 15% off on our website Kaliga Bazaar. Get15 is the code, and yes, you get a free helmet with the scooter with 15% off and up to a weight of 150 kg. So the weight of 150 kg, one can ride this scooter, and again, it's an amazing ride, award winning. If you are looking to see this vehicle personally or want to check on our website, most welcome. Do subscribe to our channel and use the coupon code GET15 to get your Ultra X from Kaliga Bazaar. NAVEE Ultra X.